In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and save any Snapchat filter you want, and it's pretty easy to do, so let's get started. Okay, so if you go to your Snapchat app and you look through your filters, you will find that you are very limited by the choice of filters, and they're always changing the filters on there, so if you like a filter and it disappears, it's pretty annoying. But what you can do is by just tapping on Explore at the bottom right, you can bring up all the filters or lenses, as Snapchat calls them. And if you don't see this Explore option at the bottom right, you need to make sure that you are looking through your filters whilst you look for it, or it won't be there. Now, when you get to this page, what you can do is search for filters that you liked or old filters that you want to use. Now, if we go back by pressing cancel and scroll down, we can see all the top ranking filters. So these are filters that are used the most. And if you look at the nav bar at the top, you can switch between different categories and even see trending filters. And to use a filter, just simply tap on it and you can take your picture off video. And if you want to save the filter, just press on favorites at the bottom and it says lens saved to your favorites. And now to see your favorites, just come back and your favorites will be on your For You page. So that's how you find and save Snapchat lenses or filters, whatever you'd like to call them. If this video helped you out in any way, please leave a like and consider subscribing to help me on my journey to becoming the biggest digital tutorial channel on YouTube. See you next time. Bye bye.